Are you tired of wasting money on expensive data? Do you want to stay connected without spending much? Well, today is your luckiest day. We are about to review the cheapest data plans in Ghana that will allow you to save up to 50% on all networks. But before we get into the video, share this video with a friend who is tired of expensive data, and let's take control of our data expenses together. So are you ready to save big on data? Watch until the end to discover the secret plans, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exclusive tips and tricks. Let's go! So to start, first of all, you go to your dialer or phone application. So go to your phone application and dial in this short code *89 *11 *154# and click on the call. So after dialing this, click on call. Going to load for some time. And here it is. It says welcome to FK Data Hub. Choose an option. So first of all, you go to the internet data. This is number 1. So according to the network you are using, whether MTN, Telecel or AirtelTigo. So for me, I'm using MTN, so click 1. Here's the range of bundles you can buy, and looking at this, it is more cheaper and far more affordable than the normal ones we buy on my data. The *138#. It's far more cheaper. 0 for next. Okay, so after clicking 0 for the next page, there will be more offers for you to buy from. So as you can see here, the range of offers you have. You can click next for more. So it ends here, and it is 100 gigabytes for 401.9 Ghana cedi. As you can see here, this is the end of the bundles you'll be able to buy. Yes. So from the range of bundles provided, you choose the one you most prefer. So let's say I'll dial into for 3 gigabytes for 16.9 Ghana cedis. So send. So here you'll be asked to enter the recipient number. So in this place, you have to be very careful. You enter the number to which you want the data to reflect on. Do you guys get it? Yes. So after dialing in the number you would like to buy the data for, you'll be asked to confirm or cancel. So you click 1 to confirm. And here it says data bundle may delay. Thanks for using our service. You'll receive a mobile money PIN prompt shortly to approve the transaction. So shortly you'll be sent a prompt for you to enter your mobile money PIN. So guys, after filling in with my mobile money PIN, after waiting for about like 30 minutes, I've been sent a message confirming that my account has been credited with 3 gigabytes of data. So as you can see here, this is a proof to show that the data bundle is real and legit. Thank you guys for watching.